In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the basics of using HubSpot, specifically focusing on the app na2.hubspot.com environment. Whether you're brand new to HubSpot or just looking to refine your skills, this walkthrough will provide you with a clearer understanding of the process for managing website pages. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first want to access the HubSpot User Guide. This resource is your go-to for understanding all the features and tools HubSpot has to offer. So, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the User Guide section by using its dedicated link or searching for HubSpot User Guide if you're navigating from the main interface. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the page. This guide hosts a vast amount of information and can be incredibly useful for any HubSpot journey. Next, you'll need to find and click on the Website Pages section. This area is specifically designed for managing all aspects of your website through HubSpot. Whether you're responsible for maintaining an existing site or setting up new pages, this is where the action starts. You should see a menu on the left-hand side of your screen, which makes navigation a breeze. By selecting Website Pages, you're essentially opening the gateway to your site's creation and management panel. With the Website Pages section open, the next step is to find and click on the Create button. This button is necessary for starting any new project within your website. You might find it located prominently on the page, often colored to stand out, making it easily identifiable as the next logical step. Clicking Create will bring up a series of options and prompts designed to guide you through the auto process of developing a new page or site section, ensuring you have all the tools and templates needed to suit your creative or professional needs. Throughout this process, HubSpot provides a user-friendly interface which makes designing and editing pages intuitive and straightforward. If at any point you need assistance, the HubSpot Help feature is usually available and can offer contextual help based on the task you are carrying out. By following along with these steps, you should now have a good understanding of how to access key features in HubSpot, specifically for managing and creating website pages. This foundational knowledge will serve you well as you explore other features within HubSpot. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you interact with these tools, the more proficient you'll become in creating and managing your digital projects. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide clarifies the essentials of navigating HubSpot. Until next time, happy creating!